When you think about dumpsters, you probably think about bad smells as well. This is something you really want to avoid because when people come to your parking lot, what they're going to smell is your dumpster. Stay Chemical has plenty of ways to make your dumpster smell better. The first way we're going to make your dumpster smell better is with Gel Genie. What this can do is spot treat your dumpster. All you do is you take Gel Genie and you spray it on problem areas in your dumpster. To make those bad smells in specific areas go away. Next, what you're gonna wanna do to treat your dumpster is use DumpStar. DumpStar is a perfect solution for large amounts of trash in your dumpster. All you do, open it up and pour it in. That's gonna get rid of the moisture and the odors in your dumpster and make your parking lot much more appealing to visitors. If you're interested in more odor control content, click one of the links below. Or if you're ready to speak to a representative, please hit the Contact Us button so Stay Chemical can make sure your dumpster and parking lot smells fresh and clean.